How many income streams do you have right now? If you only have one, what happens the day it disappears? Layoffs, illness, company collapse. Any of them can hit without warning. About 61% of American adults rely on a single income source. When that stream stops, fixed expenses become a crisis, and whether you have an emergency fund makes all the difference. But today, more than half of younger Americans are starting side hustles, and that shift is accelerating. Today, let's build the blueprint for 3 income streams together. First, let's break down the types of income. There are 3 core categories. The first, earned income. You trade your time for a paycheck. The second, portfolio income. This includes stock dividends, bond interest, and capital gains from investment assets. For real estate, it helps to separate rental income from sale proceeds. They work differently. The third, passive income. Build the right system and you can dramatically reduce the hours you need to work. That said, maintenance and ongoing improvements still take time and effort. Combine all 3 and your income becomes far more stable. Now, let's look at the numbers. Say you start earning $300 a month from a side hustle. That's $600 a year. If you can sustain long-term returns around 8%, your wealth compounds. But real returns fluctuate significantly year to year. And even as your nominal balance grows, inflation can erode your actual purchasing power. Layer in dividend income. Start with $50 a month. It's small at first. But 10 years from now, the picture looks completely different. The people who start small are the ones laughing a decade later. Now let's build all 3 income streams simultaneously. First, grow your earned income. Develop high-value skills and negotiate your raises. Target a realistic increase based on what the market will bear. This is the foundation everything else rests on. Second, build side income. Skill-based services, writing, consulting. Start small, even 0. Your first goal is to build a track record. AI is reshaping the competitive landscape. The skills that differentiate you are the ones that matter. Third, create investment income. Invest $100 a month into an S&P 500 index fund, a broad, diversified product that tracks roughly 500 of America's largest companies. If you sustain an 8% annual return over 10 years, the pre-tax projection exceeds $18,000. But actual performance will vary with the market. Beyond stocks, high-interest savings accounts and money market funds, MMFs, are worth comparing, especially in a rising rate environment. Run all 3 at once, and when one stream slows, the others keep you moving. So what do you do starting today? 3 steps. Here's the plan. Step 1. Audit your spending. Find $200 a month and redirect it into investments. Invest $200 a month at 8% annually for 10 years, and the pre-tax projection exceeds $36,000. That's your foundation. Step 2. Commit to one side hustle. Within 30 days, complete one action that moves you toward revenue. List a service, send a proposal, apply for a first project. Before you start, check your employer's moonlighting policy and understand your tax obligations. Avoiding costly mistakes is part of protecting your wealth. Step 3. Set up automatic contributions. Build a system that invests without you having to think about it. Systems beat emotions every time. Right now, how many income streams do you have? Share your answer in the comments. Tell me, what will you choose as your 3rd income stream? Thanks for investing your time with me today. This channel covers income design, asset allocation, and the path to financial freedom with real numbers and actionable steps every time. This content is for general educational purposes only and is not personalized investment advice. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's keep building together. See you in the next one.